Ocham is fascinated by birds. He can spend 30 minutes staring at birds, straight 30 minutes. Funny enough, when he was younger, he was so scared of them. He used to run so fast when he sees a bird fly above him. I wish I knew what goes on in his head when he sees one. These same birds terrorize my garden. They eat everything that grows there. They would eat my kales and my tomatoes and fruits. I'm not sure what to think about it. Sometimes I want to really complain, but at times I think about how the rains haven't been here and all they're doing is looking for food. And I have plenty of food in my garden. This is a feverfew. It is a magical white flower used as a natural medicine for centuries. It can last up to 3 weeks in a vase. You only need to change its water once a week. Luckily, I get it from outside the house and it's beautiful and majestic and white, and I love it so much. We planted the first few seeds, but after it spreads by itself, if anything, we try to control it over time. Flowers, even when dead, are a beauty. A symbol of grace, flash of fragrance, a source of joy.
Si lambi, unajua unalambanga vitu weird.
There is something about having flowers in a room, not only for its aesthetics, but they say it improves people's moods and also cleans the air. It spreads peace and happiness even without acknowledgement.
Yeah, there are others. I don't know them offhand, but I know the others who have said them. Yeah, in a few minutes, yeah. For all the 50 or? Hello.
Don't be fooled. My sister knows nothing about gardening. I was trying to teach her how to weed. She did a good job, but she still has a lot to learn. It's okay to have different interests. Only my father and I are interested in farming. This was the first time seeing my sister holding a hoe in a very long time. Of course, Ocham had to be there. He loves being in the garden, he loves water, and he loves playing in the dust. So whenever he sees me in my garden or sees anyone in the garden, he is for sure going to be there, and he's going to lie on each and every crop you get close to. You have to trick him so that he leaves, but sometimes I enjoy his company, or rather most times. Ama to transfer, transfer easy. In the sunny evenings, when the sun is golden and everyone is leaving work, tired and exhausted from the day's tasks, I spend the hour in my little garden, enjoying the sight of my produce. I need to mulch my crops with this grass. Mulching keeps the water from evaporating from the ground too fast. The rains are not here and it's in July. July should be one of the coldest months and a rainy season, but this year it's different. Surprisingly, we are not getting any rains. But fingers crossed, there will be rains at least by the end of July. Mulching also helps the weeds from sprouting. Thank you so much for the support so far. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share to your family and friends and anyone who you think might enjoy this video. And thank you very much.